Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, today we are going to talk about top 10 Indian dishes that are vegan and super delicious. So, for all those who ask me कि vegan बनने के बाद what you must be missing on the dishes, तुम बहुत कुछ नहीं खा पाती होगी. So, the answer is right here. I do not miss on many things because today I'm going to tell you about the 10 Indian dishes which are loved by everyone. It's super yummy and it is also vegan. So I don't have to miss on them. In fact, I enjoy them very much without any guilt, without any issues. Before moving on to the top 10 dishes, please subscribe to my channel and like and share for more such videos and about veganism. So, let's get to the first dish, masala dosa. Masala dosa, being a South Indian, is one of our favorites, and I have seen all my non South Indian friends, and they absolutely love it. It is so famous and it is super yummy. I do it in oil, coconut oil, olive oil, whichever you can use. But masala dosa does not require any alteration. It's super yummy and it's vegan. So now we are going to dive into our second dish, which is ta-da, pav bhaji. That's right. Pav bhaji from Maharashtra is one of the most common, most easily available dish pan India. For those who don't know what is pav bhaji, bhaji is a curry made with all the mixed vegetables. We mash it well and cook. And pav is a bread or a bun which complements the pav bhaji. And I don't know how many of you agree, but some chopped onions and a little bit of lemon on the bhaji makes the taste super yummy. And in some places, I have seen that they also serve pav bhaji with super spicy and yummy lasan or garlic chutney, and that just enhances the taste, doesn't it? So, on my list, second is pav bhaji. So, since our first two dishes is pav bhaji and masala dosa, I just was randomly scrolling through my gallery for finding pictures, and I found this picture and this with my mom when my mom and I had went for dinner, and we literally had just these two. So, third on my list is aloo paratha. All the aloo paratha fans give me a shout out. Breakfast, aloo paratha, lunch, dinner, anytime you can have aloo paratha, right? I usually make it with some onions also. So if that is something you like, aloo and pyaz paratha. So there are different ways of making it. I quickly want to tell you how I make it because I remember the first time I made it, and like people usually do, we make a round we make the dough round and add the aloo stuffing inside, and then we fold it like we are doing momos, and then we do the roti again. But when I do that, it always comes out of every corner and I'm not able to make it. So I do make aloo parathas the way my mom makes it, and it's really convenient and it always comes out to be so thin. I have seen all my friends saying when I bring aloo paratha in my tiffin or lunchbox, they're like, how do you guys make it so thin? And I'll tell you how we make it so thin. So what we do is, instead of making a one big roti, we take two small rounds. We make puri shaped rotis, and then in one of them we add the filling, take the other circle, put it over it, and then we bind the ends, and then we roll it. That way it comes out really thin and it does not come out of the paratha. So that's here a trick, a small trick of how you can make yummy paratha. So fourth on the list is pulao or biryani. Pulao or biryani, veg biryani, guys. So pulao is something that is made frequently at my house personally, because since it is a one pot meal, you add all the veggies, you saute them, you add the rice, and it is literally a one pot meal. So it is very convenient to make at our home when we are less on time, or all of us are tired and we want to make a quick dinner or quick lunch, right? So, and it is totally vegan. That's our fourth dish. Now we are going on to our fifth dish, poha. So poha is a Maharashtrian dish which is usually eaten for breakfast, and poha is made of poha, that is flattened rice. So that is one of the dishes that is a part of everybody's home, and most of us have it as a breakfast. So I personally like having poha with aloo and onions in it. So kanda poha is a thing, but I really want potatoes, those small potatoes sauteed, fried a little bit, shallow fried, and added to the poha. I really love poha that way. So if you guys are vegan or planning to trying vegan alternatives, poha is one of the dishes that you can consider for making for breakfast. It is light on the stomach, it is very good for breakfast. So guys, I know we are up with our 5, but the video is going to go really long. So let's do a part 2 for the rest of the 5 dishes. In the meantime, let me know in the comment section which are other dishes, Indian dishes, that you think are plant-based. And I'll talk about them, and I'll soon let you know about the other 5 dishes that are vegan and enjoyable. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.